So today I want to do a full review of the Sellvia platform. I've got my store here. I'm on the home page, and I'm going to take you guys through a list of the pros and cons. All right, so as you can see, this is kind of your store's dashboard where you can see, total sales, deposits amount, available products, and your established business value, which is really cool because Sellvia actually has an option where you can sell your store, or that option is coming soon, which is fantastic. They've also got on this page kind of the first steps that you should take. They offer a lot of automation and marketing products to help you get started, which is one of the pros, I would say, especially if you're a beginner, because it can be very daunting sometimes if you don't know where to start. All right, let's click on process your order. That'll take us to this order page here. You can see once again some analytics, all time. You can filter by wherever you want, and just typical things you would see on a orders page. It's very simple. It's very easy to understand. Once again, very good for beginners. All right, so here is our product. It is a printable pet travel planner. So we don't need to worry about verifying the address or anything like that. We just would click process order. But wait, we need to go back to home, and we're going to look at our deposit amounts to make sure that we have enough deposit to cover the order. So in this case, we actually wouldn't process this just yet. And of course, you can set up automatic processing if you wanted. But once we were to fill that out, we would just click process order, and that would be it. We wouldn't have to worry about anything else. Now, let's look here. This is their automated promotion. This is fantastic for beginners. You can see it's a marketing campaign, and it targets Amazon, Google, Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And this is just fantastic, especially if you're still learning how to build your brand. All right. On the left side, they've got the marketplace tab. This is what I was talking about earlier when I said your business value. So here you can actually look at listings for stores, and if you're looking for something turnkey, you can purchase a store that's already established and making a net profit, which is fantastic again. There are some premium stores as well that you can have a look at, premium stores that are already set up for you. Like I said, I think one of the main benefits for beginners is everything is done for you. You don't have to manage inventory or anything like that. All right, in the reports tab, you're going to see things like your unique visitors, your total orders, average order value, and conversion rate. This can be really helpful, especially when you are running marketing campaigns or you want to look at your historical performance. It's a normal dashboard for reports, but it gives you a lot of useful information. All right, let's continue. Now, we're going to go and have a look at the services. This is where it gets interesting. These are all their digital marketing services that you can purchase, and it gives you a score that tells you how effective it is and what it does, essentially. Now, these are absolutely fantastic for a beginner, especially going into, let's say, the Christmas season and not knowing how to market your store yet. Sellvia does that for you and makes it much, much less intimidating to get started. You can choose the package that is best for you, use it for the Christmas season or however long you want, and then once again, look at your reports, look at the insights page, and see how well it does. That way you can get an idea for what kind of marketing you should be doing and what actually works for your store. And they do everything for you. All right, Insights tab. This is where you'll see the top products for the week, the price, profit, and if you want, you can add them to your store because, of course, you need to make sure that you're changing your products ever so often. That can depend on your niche, but you should always be changing. They have new hits of the week. Now, something really cool is this success strategy. So this is their sales success strategy page, and it's going to show you some analytics once again. Then they give you an actual checklist saying what needs to be done to improve your sales. Of course, you can choose, their products to help you with this, but this is also something that you can do completely on your own. So once again, if you're a beginner, it's fantastic because you can use their services and just automate everything for yourself. If you already know how to do that, you can do it on your own. All right, in the products tab, you're going to see all of the available products that you can buy. They rank the products just like they do with their marketing campaigns, giving it a Sellvia score and a client rating. So you can kind of see which ones are working the best. I would just say that you definitely would want to be careful with which one of these you pick because, of course, every store should have its own niche, and you don't want 10,000 products because then your customers are just going to be completely overwhelmed and not know what to do. But it's really nice to know that you can always change your types of products very, very easily. Or if you want to open another store, you're not going to have to spend lots of time and hours researching what the best products are. Sellvia does that for you, which once again is amazing. And if you already know what products you want, you can add them to your store, of course. All right, here you'll see your amount of products, the price range that you've got when you were last updated, and the packages that you are currently using. You can see I'm using the success package. That's what they start you with. All right, into marketing. Their marketing is broken down into the biggest social media platforms. So there are premium blog posts, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok ads, email marketing, YouTube marketing, pretty much anything that you could want. Remember, you can do this on your own if you already know how. But for people just starting off, if you don't have an audience yet and you want to drive more traffic to your store, this is absolutely fantastic. There is even a tool for promo videos where you can have Sellvia create videos for you to post on your social medias or anything you want. It's very, very convenient. Sales channels, right now, they currently use Amazon. So you can link your Amazon seller account and list all of your products there as well. They also offer rewards and bonuses, which I was looking at some of the offers on here, and it's actually pretty amazing the discounts that they give for people who are succeeding on the platform, which is just an added bonus. Lastly, I want to talk about their Learn section or their Academy. Here is where you can find lots of videos, just talking about success stories on Sellvia and teaching beginners how to really thrive and how to make Sellvia work for them. You can see there's inside stories, success stories, courses, guides, and the Academy tab. I highly recommend everybody watch this video right here, especially if you're a beginner. Let's take a look at the My Store section. All right, the first tab here is domain. This is the domain name for your store. You can see that they offer different value domains if you ever want to change that. Next, you've got themes and exclusive themes, which is really, really great because they use themes that have been tried and tested and know that they're going to keep customers on your store and they have the highest rate of sales. So there's tons and tons of themes that you can use to keep your store updated, or if you want to change brands. And you can even use exclusive themes if you want something a little bit more unique. All right. Anyways, that's all for my review today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it was helpful. Have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.